Hello everyone. I hope everyone is fine and doing well. Today we will make fiscal code. When we will apply for Italian universities, they mostly requires like text code. We can also say Italian code, fiscal code. So we will generate by using Google. So I will explain in उर्दू और हिंदी। सबसे पहले जब हम इटालियन यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं तो हमें फिजिकल कोड, इटालियन कोड और टेक्स्ट कोड हमें चाहिए होता है, ठीक है। वो बाज़ दफ़ा हमारी एप्लीकेशन प्रोसीड नहीं होती उस स्टेप को छोड़े बगैर, ठीक है। तो फिजिकल कोड how we will use Google. So we will write only this one code is fiscal generator. So we will open any link, if we want to get our fiscal code. How we will get. So first I will open this link. So this one is the basically website. You can translate Italian into English. So this one will be your surname, like in your passport. Like you can check your passport. There will be like in my is like Shehzad, and my first name, like my given name, it will be Azhar. So my date of birth. So there will be write my date of birth. So you need to write your date of birth, okay? So which years, which months you are. So let's write this one. एंड देन यू आर मेल और फीमेल, मतलब आप बॉय हैं लड़की हैं, ठीक है। इसमें आपको मेल लिखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। उसके बाद आपकी बर्थ प्लेस कौन सी होगी, किस कंट्री से हैं आप, ठीक है। योर कंट्री नेम, like I'm from Pakistan, so I will write Pakistan. Like here is, you can write it province like Punjab, I will write it here. So this is the basically details. If you don't fill this one, it's okay, because it's no we can't able to write whole, so it's okay. P is also okay. So this one is the basic information to generate text ID code. So this is the process. First name, given name, given name is this one, surname is this one, right? And next, date of birth, then your gender, male or female, and then your country. And then you just need to click only calculate. So I will write it again, like I will write it here, Italy, 94, okay. Place of birth, okay. Birthplace, okay, I will write it there. Yes, like this way. So I will write there this one and just click it. So this one is the my code, like fiscal text code, okay. So you just copy this one and use on your applications. That is simple procedures. There is not complication, okay. So this one is very simple procedure. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. So thank you so much. Bye bye.